Okay, so for making an occupied bed, which would be a bed with the patient in it, you would perform your hand hygiene, you would identify your patient, get your equipment together, you would adjust the bed to a comfortable height, lower the side rails, put on your gloves, you would place a bath blanket over the patient, you would have the patient hold on to that blanket while you reach under it and remove the top linens. So you would start with the top. You would leave the top sheet in place if a bath blanket is not used. Sometimes it's easier to have another person assist to help your patient with rolling. You would loosen all the bottom linens. You would fan fold or roll the soiled linens as close to the patient as possible. You wouldn't want to touch yourself if the linens were soiled. You would want to make sure that you don't touch those to your clothing. You would use clean linen and make the near side of the bed. You would place the bottom sheet in the center of the bed, open that sheet and pull the bottom sheet over the corners at the head and the foot of the mattress. Push the sheet toward the center of the bed. Let's see. You would place the draw sheet with its centerfold in the center of the bed and position it so it will be located under the patient's midsection. You would open the draw sheet, tuck the draw sheet securely under the mattress. Let's see. You would raise the side rail, assist the patient to roll over to the other side where you folded in the middle. Reposition the pillow and bath blanket or the top sheet. You would loosen and remove all bottom linen. You would discard that, not letting it touch your clothing. You would ease clean linen from under the patient, pull the bottom sheet, and secure at the corners at the head and the foot of the mattress. You would assist the patient to turn back to the center of the bed, remove the pillow, and change the pillowcases. Open each pillowcase as same as you opened other linens. You would gather the pillowcases over one hand toward the closed end. Place the pillow under the patient's head. Apply the top linen sheet and blanket if desired so that it is centered. Fold the top linens over at the patient's shoulders to make a cuff. Have a patient hold on to the top linen and remove the bath blanket from underneath. You would secure the top linens at the foot of the mattress, and then you would miter the corners. I tried to do that on this bed, and I guess the blankets that I'm using, it's not working right. So I can show that to you in lab. I know how to do it. I've made occupy a bed before in the CNA classes, but it's been really difficult to do it with the stuffed animal in this bed. So you would dispose of all your linens in the correct bin, and you would make sure that the patient was comfortable.